Use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Down for Sound, SkyHigh Car Audio, and others. Is this a Q-Bomb box?
Yep.
Okay. Wow. Is there a way you can tell me real quick your name and what's in here first? Go for it.
I'm Eli. It's a Q-Bomb box, 2 VXF SCAR 12s with a 5K amp and 2 6.4 amp hour lithium battery banks in the back.
How big is the box in tuning? Do you know roughly?
I have no clue to be honest.
No clue? It's okay. Oh, your tweeters are back here and your speakers. Okay.
Yeah.
Wow. This looks. Is Daily Driver?
No. I do a lot of car shows and stuff.
Okay.
And of course,
It's really good. Do they do better with the box, with the subs in the box or out of the box? Out of the box. Okay. And the amplifiers over here?
No, the amplifiers are in the bed.
Oh, they are. Okay, I'll go look at that in a minute. What frequency does it light mesh, you think?
Oh, honestly, man, I couldn't tell you. I just put this thing together just to have fun, man.
That's right. All good. I appreciate it, man. Is there a way you can see the back? Or it's already open at all?
It's already open. Go ahead.
Okay. Oh, so you can actually close this when you drive. Is it kind of sealed, water sealed in a way?
I usually don't take it out when it rains.
Oh, yeah. How much lithium?
It's 2 64 amp hours connected together.
Okay.
So 128.
Yeah. Nice. And this is at 1 ohm?
Yeah.
Okay. And you built this? This looks, wow, nice. Awesome.
My buddy helped me build it. Yeah.
Nice paint job. Or stickers. Oh, that's paint. Yeah. Is that a what size alternator?
300 amp.
300, okay. Awesome. We'll look one more time. something low 40, high 30s or something pretty well. That was a good squeeze. I appreciate it, man. Awesome. That was
31 to 46.
46. Okay.
Yeah.
What frequency does it light mesh, you think?
Oh, honestly, man, I couldn't tell you. I just put this thing together just to have fun, man.
That's right. All good. I appreciate it, man. Is everybody can see the back? Or is it already open at all?
It's already open. Go ahead.
Okay. Oh, so you can actually close this when you drive. Is it kind of sealed, water sealed in a way?
I usually don't take it out when it rains.
Oh, yeah. How much lithium?
It's two 64 amp hours connected together.
Okay.
So 128.
Yeah. Nice. And this is at 1 ohm?
Yeah.
Okay. And you built this? This looks, wow, nice. Awesome.
My buddy helped me build it. Yeah.
Nice paint job. Or stickers. Oh, that's paint. Yeah. Nice to meet you again, man. Thank you for the demo.